5, the dangers of a fake drug are very real. Top local health leaders are coming out with warnings against K2 and other synthetic marijuana products. Hello, I'm Mark Mellinger.
And I'm Heather Herron. Those products are sold legally, labeled as incense, but when inhaled, get people high. Along with that high, though, comes some serious risks, according to health officials. News Channel 15's Drew Blair dug into those negative effects, and she's in News Control now. And Drew, what did you uncover?
Well, Heather, as communities across the country consider banning products like K2, Allen County's health commissioner says the substance can be worse than real pot.
I think that we need to regulate this on some level.
Allen County Health Commissioner Dr. Deb McMahon says she would like to see policies created to monitor synthetic marijuana.
You can't remove the potential for people to hurt themselves. What you can do, though, is hope that you create good policy that makes it harder to make bad decisions and easier to make good decisions, and that's the best you can do.
Right now, products like the brand name K2 are completely legal to sell. Young customers attracted to the incense are receiving the most attention.
To allow children whose brains are still vulnerable because they're developing, and we know that the impact of these things is much greater on a more malleable developing brain, we need to do something.
McMahon says the synthetic chemical in spice can actually be more potent than THC, the active ingredient in pot.
It just creates the paranoia, the delusions. You can actually have hallucinations, the tachycardia, heart racing, like a panic attack type thing with all of the physical signs that go with that.
The health commissioner says policies to make the fake drug unavailable could help young people avoid dangerous choices. She says she'd also like to see it regulated, like the FDA does other consumer products.
Nobody's monitoring it. I think that makes it dangerous in and of itself, that you have a product now that nobody knows what's going into it.
Last week, Fort Wayne City Council decided a citywide ban on K2 is worth discussing. However, it is not on tonight's agenda. Reporting live in News Control, Drew Blair, News Channel 15.